In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore your data in Google Sheets using a simple and reliable method. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. On the left side, click on Trash. Here, you'll see all the files you've deleted recently. Find the Google Sheets file you want to restore. Right-click on the file and click Restore. This will move the file back to its original location in your drive. Now go back to My Drive and open the file to confirm your data is back. If your file isn't in Trash, you can check Version History instead. Open your sheet, then go to File, Version History and click See Version History. Select an earlier version and click Restore this version. That's it. You can recover deleted files from trash or restore previous versions to get your data back quickly and safely.